Potato Grow Bag Hack. This is the brief on urban potato farming. Stop digging holes. This one bag can grow 15 pounds of potatoes in a closet space. You see, fabric grow bags are literally revolutionizing urban agriculture, letting anyone cultivate high-yield, calorie-dense crops in tiny spaces without needing traditional farmland. First, let's talk about a clever method called hilling. We use indeterminate potato varieties, like the russet Burbank. Basically, the plant keeps growing upward as long as you keep burying its stem. Think of it like building a vertical apartment complex for tubers. By progressively burying the stem, we're tricking the plant into sprouting new horizontal roots, called stolons, at multiple levels, totally maximizing your vertical space. Second, to make this work indoors, you need the right gear. Now you might be asking, why not just use a cheap plastic bucket? Well, the secret is air pruning. When roots hit a solid plastic wall, they just circle and choke. But when they hit a breathable fabric bag, they stop and branch into a dense, fibrous system instead. Plus, this fabric creates a cooling evaporation effect, which is absolutely crucial, because potatoes really need cool roots to produce. Finally, this connects directly to global food security. Potatoes actually yield 2 to 4 times more calories per hectare than wheat or rice. So with some LED grow lights and basic ventilation, your closet grow bag transforms into a climate-resilient, high-calorie emergency food supply. Summing it up, combining indeterminate potatoes, breathable fabric bags, and the hilling technique turns the smallest indoor spaces into massive, high-yield food engines. Forget sprawling farmland, the future of sustainable food security might just be sitting right inside your closet.